Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the Pashto letter Che. We will practice how to write it, see which letters it can be joined with, and learn some example words that start with Che. In our last video, we covered the letter Jim. So if you haven't watched that yet, but sure to check it out. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along with every new lesson. Let's begin. In this letter, we will learn the letter Che. Che is from the same category like Jim. This one, Jim, Che, He, all of them is from one category. Che is the same symbol but just have three dots inside. Che have the sound of cha, cha. Coming initial is like this one, in middle part is this one, final joint is this one, final unjoined is this one. In a word like, for example, we have che, chaman, chaman. Chaman means lawn. Chaman shin day, chaman shin day. It means the lawn is green. Chaman means lawn, shin means green. Day is chaman shin day. The lawn is green. دا چمن او بغاری. دا چمن او بغاری. It means this lawn needs water. دا چمن او بغاری. This lawn needs water. دا means this. چمن lawn اوبه water. غاری means needs. The real meaning of غاری means want. دا چمن او بغاری, it means want. For example, we say Ahmad Ahmad want water, want food. Or Ahmad Ahmad want water. Ghari means what, want. But like Lon didn't want. Look, it needs. For this reason, we say needs. Like we're using as a needs. But the original meaning is want. خب چینار او چارگل په چمن کې لوبې کوي. چینار او چارګل په چمن کې لوبې کوي. It means Chinar and Chargol are playing in the lawn. Chinar is private name, Av means and, Chargol is also private name. په چمن کې in the lawn, لوبې play, کوي do like playing. چنار او چارګل په چمن کې لوبې کوي. Chinar and Chargol are playing on the lawn. قیچی. قیچی means scissor. قیچی scissor. دا قیچی ډیر تیره دی. دا قیچی ډیر تیره دی. It means this scissor is very sharp. دا قیچی ډیر تیره دی. This scissor is very sharp. په قیچی لوبې مه کوه. په قیچی لوبې مه کوه. It means don't play with a scissor. په قیچی with a scissor, by a scissor. لوبې play مه کوه, don't do. Don't play with the scissor. په قیچی لوبې مه کوه. په means with or by. لوبې قیچی scissor. لوبې play مه کوه, don't do. Don't play. مهرباني وکړه قیچی راکړه. مهرباني وکړه قیچی راکړه. It means please give me the scissor. مهرباني please. مهرباني وکړه please. وکړه do. قیچی scissor. راکړه give me. مهرباني وکړه قیچی راکړه. Please give me the scissor. مهرباني وکړه قیچی راکړه. Yeah, chai. Chai means tea. زه شین چای څښم. زه شین چای څښم. I'm drinking green tea. زه means I. شین green چای tea څښم drinking. زه شین چای څښم. I'm drinking green tea. زه شین چای څښم. I'm drinking green tea. آیا تو تور چای غواړې؟ آیا ته تور چای غواړې؟ Do you want black tea? آیا means do. Are using for question, making questions. ته you تور black چای tea غواړې want. آیا ته تور چای غواړې؟ Do you want black tea? Do you want black tea? آیا ته تور چای غواړې؟ چای ګرم ده پام کوه. چای ګرم ده پام کوه. The tea is hot, be careful. چای tea ګرم hot ده is پام کوه be careful. چای ګرم ده پام کوه. The tea is hot, be careful. Yeah, now is the time to practice all this sentence with me. I will say and you can repeat after me. The only way to learn the language is practice and practice. Let's practice again. چمن چمن lawn. چمن شین دی. چمن شین دی. The lawn is green. دا چمن اوبه غواړي. دا چمن اوبه غواړي. This lawn needs water. چنار او چارګل په چمن کې لوبې کوي. چنار او چارګل په چمن کې لوبې کوي. Chinar and Chorgwell are playing on the lawn. قیچي قیچي scissor. دا قیچي ډېر تیره دی. دا قیچي ډېر تیره دی. This scissor is very sharp. په قیچي لوبې مه کوه. په قیچي لوبې مه کوه. Don't play with scissor. مهرباني وکړه قیچي راکړه. مهرباني وکړه قیچي راکړه. Please give me the scissor. چای چای tea. زه شین چای څښم. زه شین چای څښم. I'm drinking green tea. آیا ته تور چای غواړې؟ آیا ته تور چای غواړې؟ Do you want black tea? چای ګرم ده پام کوه. چای ګرم ده پام کوه. The tea is hot, be careful. If you would like to learn Pashto very online, feel free to contact me. I'll got hundreds of students and deliver thousands of hours on different online platforms like Itacan quickly. You can check out my students' review there to see what they say about learning with me. If you want a complete course, you can enroll on Udemy. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.